Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banned account on REDnote. We click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this application of REDnote and we click. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on or restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.